Welcome! If you're tired of getting those constant new friend suggestions popping up on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to turn off those notifications, step by step. This guide uses the latest settings, so you can relax knowing you're getting the most up-to-date instructions. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head over to your device's settings. Not the Snapchat app yet, your main phone settings. Look for the app settings in your phone menu. This part is crucial because Snapchat's notification controls are accessed directly from your device, not just through the app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps. Tap there to see a complete list of all the applications installed on your device. Now, scroll through the list and locate Snapchat. The icon should be easy to spot with its signature yellow color and ghost logo. Tap on Snapchat to enter its specific settings. Inside Snapchat's settings on your phone, you'll see an option called Notifications. Tap on this. You're almost there. This menu controls all the different types of notifications Snapchat can send to your device. Next, look for something labeled Notification Categories. Tapping this will bring up a menu showing all sorts of notification options for Snapchat. Here's where things get interesting. Find the category called Friends. Under this, you'll notice an option labeled New Friends Suggestions. This is the feature responsible for sending you those notifications every time Snapchat thinks you've got someone new to add. To stop getting these alerts, simply toggle off the New Friends Suggestions option. Once the switch is off, Snapchat will no longer bug you with friend suggestions popping up all the time. And that's it. You've taken back control of your notifications. Enjoy a quieter Snapchat experience, focused only on the updates you actually care about. If you found these instructions helpful, don't forget to like and join for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching.